Yeah, we back, man. We back. Had to pop out real quick, you know what I mean? Consistency. I'm trying to keep it up this time, man. I know I be saying that shit all the time, but fuck all that. Yeah, let's get to this, man. I had to take the top off. You know, these Ricky boxes be too hard to get into. Like, I don't know what Rick think he got in here. Like, these shits might as well be a motherfucking safe, bro. These shits is way hard to get into. But let's go, man. Let's get into it, man. Yes, sir. Yes, Lord. At the vintage joints. You heard? These the vintage low-tie Ricky joints, you dig? You know me, man. I wanted the black and white joints, man. For real, I wanted the black and white shits, but them shits was sold out. You feel what I'm saying? When I got onto it, they were sold out already. And you know I be on shit early, so I was waiting a minute, bro. Waiting a minute, hitting mad different sites, but this wasn't possible. I wanted the leather shits. I could have got the canvas or the suede, but I wanted the leather joints. So yeah, bro, I had to get the next color closest to it. You know what I mean? Nighttime, these shits is closest to it. You feel me? But let's get into these shits, bro. Why is these so tough? Let's start there. Like, first of all, like, these shits look like a pair of Vans, but just like on steroids, on meth or some shits. Like these is enhanced. Like these is Vans enhanced, my boy. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Tough. These shits is tough. You feel me? Like, good leather, you dig? Good leather. You feel what I'm saying? Good leather. Like, Rick been on a run lately. Like, Rick been on one. I don't know what's up with Ricky, but he been on one lately. Like, everything he been putting out been tough, bro. Like, or maybe I'm just getting on to it late. You feel what I'm saying? Like, but yeah. So, yeah, I mean, what more can I say about these? Y'all niggas' eyes work, right? Y'all screens is clear, right? Y'all everything working straight, right? So y'all see these shits, bro. I don't know what you want me to say about these shits, bro, that you can't see. Like, so how I'm doing these, bro, I'm doing these with the I'm going Ricky on Ricky. Like, you feel what I'm saying? I got the jeans with this. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just put the jeans in the next vid. But if you ain't there for the next vid, it's the ones with the zipper going up the middle. You feel what I'm saying? I think they call, like, I think them shits is called a banana joints. You feel what I'm saying? But leave in the comments what you think about these shits, man. What y'all want some authenticity? What the fuck y'all want me to do with these shits, bro? Like, that y'all can't see already. Like, you feel me? Like, I stitching going around. Like, you feel me? Little swoosh on the side. Like, I don't know what you want me to say, bro. Got these purple lacings. I'm not doing it with those. You feel me? Shit is tough, man. Something great to have in a collection. If you could get the black pair, like the black and white pair, those are the hardest to me, if you ask me. They got also a yellow pair out right now. They got a brown pair out. You feel what I'm saying? But I want these, man. These is like, they calling them the violet joints. You feel me? Violet shits. Let me know what you think about them, man. I think they tough. I think they tough. Like, I'm just starting a conversation in the comments. I don't really give a fuck, bro. I think these shits is tough. I wouldn't give a fuck if all y'all said they was trash. Like, these shits is tough. You feel what I'm saying? Them call these shits the purple rain. Like, word. The purple rain. Like, these the codeine drips right here. Like, codeine crazies. Fucking around, call these shits the codeine crazies. Like, you know, give me a name for these shits. Like, they don't make my Dark Knight collection, you know what I'm saying? But they still a vibe. Like, they still a vibe. You feel me? So we gonna give these shits a name. Like, but you know how we rock and play ahead to stay ahead. I appreciate all the support. Like, y'all niggas been fucking with me since I've been gone too. So I hated I waited so long in the video to say that shit. But I appreciate the support, man. Appreciate the support. I love y'all, because y'all love me. But even if y'all ain't love me, I still love y'all. I might cut that little corny, mushy shit out the end of this video, but play ahead to stay ahead, man. One star drip shot. You know how we coming, man.